Good morning, class 3. Hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher and my name is Miss Rabia. Today we will revise the question answer of chapter number 13, Light and Shadows. Exercise number 3 is answer these questions. The first question is, what is light? Look in this picture. Light is the form of energy. When white light passes through a prism, it is differentiated into 7 different colors. You can see in this picture the white light is converted into different colors. Look in this picture. Light is the form of energy which makes things visible. Without light, we cannot see the things clearly. There are two sources of light. Some are natural sources and some are artificial sources. So, sun and stars are natural sources of light because it has its own light. But the bulb, lamp, candle and fire are the artificial sources of light. The second question is, how does moon look shiny? Look in this picture. The moon does not produce its own light. But the light of the sun falls on the moon which make it look shiny. That means moonlight is actually the sunlight that shines on the moon and bounces off. The question number 3 is, how is a shadow formed? When path of light is blocked by something, a shadow is formed. Look in this picture. When sun rays is blocked by the tree, a shadow is formed. The direction and position of the shadow are changes according to the position of light. Look in this picture. Some shadows are short and some shadows are long. These shadows are depend upon the position of light. When we block large amount of light, a large shadow is formed. And when we block some amount of light, small shadow is formed. Fourth question is, what is meant by sundial? Look in this picture. Sundial is an instrument showing the time by the shadow of the pointer cast by the sun onto the plate. This one is its plate and this one is its marker. Look in this picture. The sundial is marked with the hours of the day. In olden days, people used this when there was no clocks. People used the direction of a pole to tell the time. So, because sundial is work with the help of sun, so this is called sundial. The fifth question is, what is meant by transparent material? The materials through which light can pass are called transparent materials. So, look in this picture. Light can pass through clear glass or clean water. So, these are the example of transparent materials.